Hi guys, I am back with another video, and it is on my analysis of 2013, 2012 and 2011 questions of UPSC Prelims on ancient India. So getting started. So in 2013 I saw that the first question was on Hyun Sang's accounts during the Harsha period. So we need to see what were in his accounts, what he wrote and what was right or wrong, so that question could be solved by elimination method, but we need to be aware of the crimes which were there during that period. Then second question, so this also concludes that we need to know about Chinese and Arab travelers who came during the different times in the historical period, and we need to know what they wrote about India. Second question, IVC people's life. So Indus Valley civilization people, how they lived, whom they worshipped, and which animals they domesticated. I guess this I have already told in the previous video in comparison to the Rigvedic period. So we need to study both separately and then compare them as well. So this is what is important for the 2013 question. In 2012, we need to see the scientific, technological, mathematical and medicine developments in the chronological order. So this is very important. We can relate concept with architecture, structure and shapes too. This is what I have concluded, because there was a question of shape of quadrilateral. So if that shape is you can see in any architecture or like any monument, so that I guess that can help us solve that question. So we need to be aware of the scientific developments which have happened throughout the history in the order of chronology, in a chronological order. Then second question is comparison between Jainism and Buddhism. When I say comparison, it means both similarities and differences. So we need to be thorough with Jainism and Buddhism understanding. We have to have an in-depth knowledge, and so that we are also able to compare between the two. Then the third question is on early Vedic Aryans, their religion and their worship. So same here, we will be studying about Rigvedic Aryans and Indus Valley civilization in comparison, and that will help us out here. Then the fourth question, there was a question on Shreni, that are merchant guilds. So we have to study economy and administration of different kingdoms when we study ancient history. So we will be aware of the terms which are used in economy and administration of the kingdom. So that will help us out. So this was my analysis of the 2012 questions. Now we're moving on to 2011 questions. So 2011, there were 3 questions on ancient India. So the first question was on Jain teachings, the teachings of Mahavira. So we need to be thorough with Jain doctrines and what it is based on, the universal laws and everything. Then the second question was on shipbuilding and navigation of both North India and South India. So we need to be thorough with the scientific developments, as I said, science and tech of throughout the historical period. I guess coachings gave us in notes. And then we have to connect it with trade and economy of the empire, so that is very important. Then the third question was on IVC, Indus Valley civilization, and it covered religion and economy, that is whether a product is used or not, like cotton it was asked. So I have put it in this section. So this is what I have concluded from these 3 questions. I hope this video helps you out. Stay tuned, I will also now be making a video on art and culture as well, and I will be posting it. Thank you.